Ivor the engine. There is his shed on the siding at Llanniog. And look, there is Mr. Williams, the postman. It's not often he comes down to Ivor's shed. Oh, hello, Mr. Williams.
Does Engine Esquire live here?
Well, of course, you know perfectly well he does, Emrisbach. What you got?
There's this parcel here.
That? That looks as if it's been in a fire. Oh, come in, there's a cup of tea in the pot. Help yourself. It isn't Christmas. It's not even Ivor's birthday. Hey, what about that? A tiny trumpet.
Is there a note?
There's writing on it. For Ivor, just in case. O, I, G and B.
Who is it from, then?
Oh, just some friends of Ivor's. You know, don't you, Ivor?
Oh, well, I better be getting along. Bye-bye, Mr. Jones. Bye, Ivor.
For Ivor, just in case. It's a present from the dragons, of course, but just in case. Just in case what? Do you know, Ivor? Neither do I. Oh, well, maybe we'll find out. Time for work. We've got to fetch sheep from Old Idwoll's place behind the mountain. I'll put the trumpet on the shelf in the cab, just in case, like. Well, that's a bit puzzling, isn't it? I wonder what it's for. Well, anyway, they collected flat trucks and foals from Llanniog. And soon they were out on the mountainside, heading for Idwoll the shepherd's hill farm. Idwoll was there, sitting on a stone, waiting for them, surrounded by sheep.
They ran away. Never seen a railway engine before, I suppose.
But where's your sheepdog?
Bloodwin? Oh, she's busy having pups again.
Oh, well, we had better catch them, I suppose. You wait there, Ivor. We'll drive them down to you. Come on then, Idwoll. That wasn't any good. Idwoll was old, Jones was fat, and the sheep were frightened of the great green steaming engine. Idwoll and Jones sat and mopped their brows.
Oh, there's a case now, isn't it?
Oh, a case. A case. Just in case. Hey, wait a minute.
What's that?
Well, it's supposed to be a trumpet.
It doesn't make much noise.
No, you're right. I doubt if anybody could hear that.
He was wrong, of course. The dragons heard it.
What is it? Is there anything we can do?
Well, a bit of sheep herding, if you wouldn't mind.
What, those sheep over there, you mean?
Yes, all that lot. Onto the trucks, if you can.
Righto.
Now, the sheep were frightened of Ivor, but they were terrified of the dragons. They fairly stampeded into the trucks. And soon they were safely on their way home, with the sheep safely in the trucks, and the dragons safely in Ivor's firebox.